why do I think Tron is trading above 1 billion market cap? Because they get suckers to think it's something that it's not. I mean, that's it. That's all it is. I mean, I don't know. Is it, what is, I mean, you can also have a debate about what 1 billion market cap really is. What is 1 billion market cap? I mean, you've seen wash trading before, so how accurate is market cap anyways? Tether is completely insolvent. They lost $850 million out of their like $1 billion bucks. And the guy came out to say, oh, we have 73 cents for every Tether. So right there, anything that trades against Tether's market cap is 30% less than what it says it is. So current stablecoin battle. I kind of thought about this. And so I heard that stablecoins were going to start offering interest. And then one man army. Yeah, I would say. I mean, ultimately, Tron doesn't give a shit. They're just trying to do whatever they can to be like the hypiest, right? Like they're playing the game. They're playing the game. Like you can't hate them for playing the game. Don't hate the player, hate the game, you know? And I just don't really like the entire concept of like taking this aspect and tainting it. Because when I go and talk to businesses, I do not say blockchain. I definitely do not say cryptocurrency. You say cryptocurrency to anyone in business and they will run away because of how the game's being played right now. I have to say we're at a blockchain or we develop distributed systems because it does actually have an impact on the reputation of what's going on in here. People aren't stupid. You know, there's more people who aren't interested in Tron than there are that are. And you have to also try to understand why people aren't interested in it. Is it because they haven't heard about it, or is it because they're not really into crypto? So for people that don't look at the other side, I think it's hard to see that there is a negative reputation to cryptocurrency. And people are like, haha, Bitcoin tanked, dum-dums. I mean, this happens all the time, but that's basically where it is. People don't take it seriously.